kailangan pag tinawag kayo, todo, sayaw! Ano ba hinintay nyo? Mga bigating bisita! Let's go! Atin na yun! Let's go! Come on, come on! Sino ang bigatin dito? Pizza sa mga 25,000! Okay! Sino ang bigatin? Atin na yun! Sino ang bigatin dito? Ito! Atin na! Bigyan mo kayo ng hammerhead at marker! Atin na yun! Classmate mo ba siya? Bakit di sumisigaw? Crush ka daw nila. Okay, Cheryl, bigatin siya. Anong gusto mo sabihin kay Tika Singkaser?
Say everything in English, please.
Sino magaling mag-English yan? Sino? Interpreter, interpreter. Oh, come here, for a while. Come here. Okay? Interviewer. Interview.
What's your name?
Read the names.
Read the name.
It's Cheryl.
Hi.
Hi.
Larry.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Mapo ka na. Cheryl, you're from? Where you from?
Edmonton, Canada.
You're from Canada. Okay.
Yeah.
Your mom is a Filipina?
Both of my parents are full Filipino.
Really? What do you do here now?
Pardon?
What do you do here now in the country?
Oh, I'm visiting my family.
You're visiting?
Yes.
Where did you visit there?
Okay.
Okay. Are you with your family now?
Just my sister and her friends.
What's your dad and mom?
In Canada?
Canada. What do you do in Canada?
I'm a student.
What kind of a student you are? Are you a bright student?
No,
You're not a bright student. You are what?
I'm a
Gloomy
business
student? Okay.
I'm smart. I don't know.
You have a boyfriend, Cheryl?
No, I'm single.
Carter, ano gusto mo sabihin kay Cheryl?
So beautiful.
You're so beautiful. Thank you very much, Cheryl. Listen very carefully. You understand Tagalog?
Can it be English a little? Sorry.
It's okay. English?
Yes.
Okay. Ang sinasabing perfect na vital statistics. The perfect vital statistics of a woman is
34, 36, 34.
mali. May ba chance?
What?
Okay? Parang baliktad. What is the perfect vital statistics of a lady, of a woman?
26, 34, 24.
No. 26? That's too small. No, really. It should be 36, 24, 36. In a perfect body, okay? Forma! Okay? 1 plus 1.
2.
Sorry. Aling sangkap ng... Sagot. Aling sangkap ng kalamansi juice ang hindi nanggaling sa halaman?
Tubig.
Tubig. Ano, tama ba? Tama, kaya sorry. Thank you! Bigatin Chong!
Bigating Show!
Sino to? Sino to? Yeah! That's the man, Chong! Bigatin Chong!
Ako ang bigatin ng Ateneo de Davao University.
Ano gusto mong sabihin, Kitty Gasing Carter?
Nakita mo yung mga tao sa likuran mo? Aabangan ka yan sa labas pag tinalo mo ako.